late power play goal tied the game at 4-4. Not just on Wednesday night, but the last time Steelers hosted Coventry. That Halloween game was won in overtime by Ben O'Connor. Blaze have the league's worst defensive record and sit outside the playoff places, but after that last meeting, they know they can get at Sheffield. Steelers are still missing Neely and David Phillips. There's no Jake Hansen for the Blaze, but Tom Flodkvist makes his debut. McFadden back for the Steelers. Crowd still very much into it as we come up on 4 minutes to go in the period. That one's behind the netminder, but not behind the line.
And you can see everybody's arms going up, ready to go with those teddies. A couple down in front of us were ready to go as it squeaked through. As a nice rush up the ice here by the Sheffield defenseman, cutting to the middle of the ice. Good hard wrist shot coming through, just about finds that 9-hole, maybe a little bit off the top of the thigh, and that's what sort of bounced it in behind the netminder, but both Noble was there as well to help out.
Pitt had traffic around him. Oh, one back by Coventry and feeding it in front. This is a big chance, and it's a big save off the blocker from Climie to deny Brynäsven. Pitt takes the shot on, and Kopriva falls forward and covers up. And we can check in on Twitter. We've got Danny, Levi Baby and Desi Dog. Steelers supporters watching in from home. At Steelers TV Live, the place to send in your messages. That was the big chance and the big blocker save. Blaze power play this season is just under the 18% mark in league play. Climie with the save. It's caught underneath Martinelli, and Climie's got back to make a wonderful recovery save. There's still bodies in the crease. They're going to have to blow the whistle. This is a real mess.
Yeah, there's more players in the crease than the netminder as Climie's trying to figure out what's going on. And everyone's in there.
Grab a partner.
In there. Yeah, they've all got somebody. As the referees all try to get in the way of everything here to calm it all down. All starts with a big shot coming through, and like I said, the littlest guy on the ice crashing the net, looking for some sort of opportunity to score, and Climie standing tall, but a great little bit of action down in front of the Steeler netminder there.
Equalising goal for Manchester. Storm 2, Devils 2. Let's take a look at this recovery save from Climie. He's out of position, and then the stick gets back, keeps it out, and it's the falling Nicky Foruk who ends up in the net.
Yeah, and then it's Climie trying to, I don't know what he's throwing his arms up in the air about, as the play is still live at this point. So
20 seconds left for Coventry to work with Eberle still in the box. Oh, drop pass, and the defenseman was going for a change. Brynäsven wanted to go onto the bench. He didn't want a pass coming towards him. In the end, he's had to extend his shift. He's done well to carry it in. Bit of a collision out front. And still they go, and they shoot, and Climie kicks out a really impressive save. He was at full stretch there. Penalty is over as the Blaze shoot onto the outside of the goal. Martinelli in with the shoulder. Eberle trying to force his way down the boards past Clement, can't manage it. Blaze keeping the pressure on, even back to 5-on-5 now. Pauly plays it out, shot comes in and finds the top corner. It's a wonderful shot from Joyo.
Yeah, some big time pressure there. Coventry very, very fortunate. As you said, they were trying to change, just about getting caught too many men on the ice. You can see Sheffield all collapse to the front of the net. Nobody looking this side. De La Rovere doesn't get out in time. He sees the defenseman popping down late. One-timer coming through. Climie doesn't see it till late, as it looks as though Martinelli just does a little bit of a flyby screen, and it finds the way 9-hole, and Coventry here take the lead after the power play.
What can the Steelers offer in response? What can the Blaze do as they come back the other way? Dow trying to force this one out. Nicely played through the legs by Johnson. Owens can't take it on. And the Blaze are moving in dangerously. Centered across. Oh, Climie's made the pad save, and the puck goes back out to the other side, and the Blaze had all skated past it.
Climie needed all 6'4" of his legs there to keep that one out of that. As Nicky Foruk, he uses his size to get underneath Johnson. Offside call is coming up, but Nick Fork does a great job being a smaller man, getting around underneath the center of gravity, finding a pass across. As you see it right here, just gets underneath Johnson, and as I said, the little guy gets through, makes a great pass across through the stick and the feet. And there you see, they just can't quite finish it off as it's Crowder coming through, and Climby just extending those long legs of his, just getting the toe on it.
Eberle plays it in front, and Kopriver with the save. And still the Steelers fans wait to throw those teddy bears. Equaliser for Belfast. They're 1-1 now on the road in Glasgow.
And that's how close it was. Kopriver doing a good job getting those pads down tight to the ice.
11 goals for Robert Dowd in an injury-shortened season. A complete air shot. Buzzio trying to wrap it around, and there's a real scramble at the side of the crease. Noble went diving after it, and Kopriver covers up as it's sent in from the outside. Steelers are starting to build the pressure.
Yeah, Coventry's just soaking it up, as you can see Buzzio coming around in front. Trying that wrap around. Oh, look at 4 Coventry players in and around that netminder, as well as a...
Blaze will get it out, and there's a little bit of room here for Florian. He'll get it back. Here's an opportunity. Oh, and he's tangled down, and he collides hard with the boards head first. That was nasty. Oh, that wasn't good.
No, he went in there very hard and fast with his back and head. A great back checker. Venus makes a fantastic sauce pass across. And here you can see Robert Dowd do the little stick lift right at the end. Climby coming across, and right there the balance is gone. You'll see him spin around right there and go in. It's Ferrara that goes in. Shoulder and neck, so good to see Ferrara back up on his feet and under his own pressure, or under his own strength to get back off the ice.
And able to play it away is Flodqvist. Paulie trying to move his way through. Puck is sitting in the slot, and the Steelers will skate it away, and they've got 3 up in this break. They'll snap the shot on goal, and it's off target again. McFadden all the way back around to Dowd. Puck just gets a little too far away from him, but again he hustles back onto it, lifts the stick. Needs a little bit of support. Steelers will get to it. Martinelli. Awkward looking tumble. Referees watch on, and play goes on. Westerling and Martinelli between them can't get the job done, and it's cleared away down the boards. Westerling's in a tight spot. There's really no room at all on that left wing side, and Westerling has now made himself a little bit. That's really good play. Can he find the pass? It'll come across to Johnson. Back to the blue line. Traffic in front. Save made. Rebounds in. Westerling scored, but it won't count. Hold those Bears. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's the scenario you fear. The Steelers have scored, but it's been waved off. We're going to go to a replay. But surely that's all right. No, it's not across the line. What a save that is. I don't think it's gone in at all.
We'll have to see as that puck goes up on end, and Pairing on the ice at goal line level says no, but I think Sheffield's going to finish throwing off the teddies anyways, even though...
What shall I do with the teddy bear that is in my left hand right now?
Well, you know, you look at what's going on. Well, they do the review. They're all going out there, so if I was you, I'd see if you can get it at least halfway down.
Fellas.
Well, you just about got it into the first row.
We're a long way back here. If this hasn't gone in, and on our initial look, it doesn't look as though it has, what a save this is from Kopriver. It is some chuck, this one.
We'll see if he can get this up and over. It comes right now. It's like launching a small child, that one, isn't it? It's a good thing he's down by the glass as he just gets it up and over.
And given that the players are coming back for a face-off in the offensive zone, they know the score. But there is no score for the Steelers on that play. Westerling denied by the stick save from Kopriver. The puck did not go in. Possession is key for the Blaze right now. If they've got the puck, they'll be the team in control. They want it down this end. Steelers have it back. How aggressive will they be with Matt Climie? Steelers are into the offensive zone. Backhanded shot gets blocked in amongst all the bodies. Owens drives forward and finishes his hit. Climie is still in goal as Owens has it. Tries to go towards Pitt. Plays it out front. It's bouncing around. Steelers trying to stick handle. Can they get the shot away? They can't. And it's Nicky Foruk who has it. And he'll play it across and it'll just slide away from Morris. Towards goal. Climie looks at the bench. Played forward, but not a good pass. Hashi intercepts and he sends it down the ice. Both teams do still have their timeouts remaining. Last time the Blaze came here, they gave up a penalty late in the game when leading by a goal, and the Steelers equalised on the power play. Climie has gone for the extra skater. 6 on 4, and the Steelers can't afford to lose it, and Matheson very nearly did to Lake. Eberle. Minute and 10 left. Blaze need a clearance. Steelers need the puck. Eberle trying to fight his way through. Backhanded out by Lake. Here's the opportunity. The empty net, it's there! Blaze are going to win this one. They've scored into the empty net with 55 seconds left. Flodqvist, the brand new signing, has sealed the points on his debut. Johnson's shot deflects up in the air and goes to the corner. The final few seconds are ticking away. One final clearance will seal the victory, and what a road victory for Coventry. And they all go to congratulate Miroslav Kopriva. He's got the shutout, but it was his save on Westerling that was the decisive moment in this game. The Teddy Bears came on, but the puck didn't go in, and that's why the Steelers are shut out at home for the first time this season.
Tom, a disappointing night. Never good to get shut out at home, but was there any positives?
Our goalie played really well, gave us an opportunity to stay in the game. Offensively, we certainly didn't take advantage of that. Really came off of our game offensively from just putting pucks at the net perspective, which was a little bit perplexing because we talked about it after the second period, the idea that the puck needed to get to the net more. And even when we had the goalie out, we refused to shoot the puck, so I'm not sure where that came from, but we've got to get that out of our game very quickly.
The power play has worked for us recently, not tonight.
The last few nights, it's found a dry spot, but I think it comes from team scouting you. What had been working is going away from us, so we've got to find other ways to get the puck to the net, other ways to generate the offense there, and we'll get working on it Monday and Tuesday.
You talk about Matt playing very well for us, and he was the star of the show this evening. When he first came here, you said he needed games. He's had those now, and he's starting to show exactly what kind of goalie he is. Yeah,
he was controlling the game tonight, I thought. He's been very good handling the puck, and tonight's performance gave us a chance to win a game, and we just really squandered that opportunity, which is unfortunate.
Would it be an unfair criticism to say that offense continues just to be a small problem for us?
I would say it's unfair based on the amount of goals that we've scored. We're a positive, since I started coaching the team, we have a positive goal differential, not a negative one. So I look at that as the indicator to me, are we scoring enough? I still believe we're 6 goals over what we've given up in the time that I've been here, so that's positive. And that to me is the primary indicator.
Okay. What do you know about John Armstrong, who comes to join us early next week?
Not too much. Just what I read basically on the Elite Prospects page, and what some people have told me about him who've played with him and coached him. So it sounds like he's the type of player we've been looking for, a big body that can skate. And from what people tell me, he should contribute to the success of our team.
Danny, a fantastic result for your side tonight. Just walk us through that game.
Yeah, great all-around performance, I think, for us on the road. I felt for my guys, probably the best buy-in we've had on the road in quite some time. I thought, the first period they came out, they swarmed us a little bit. They had some good zone time, and Miro made some good saves, and I think we turned it over in the second, and we had some great chances, and their guy made some good saves, and it was kind of back and forth. I thought both goaltenders played really well. Third period, I thought we did a great job. getting pucks in behind them, and we a lot of block shots too. We probably had more block shots in the third tonight than we have in a period all year, and that's what you need to do to win on the road. And Miro makes a fantastic save there to keep it at 1-0, and those are game-saving saves. And I felt we got what we deserved tonight. I felt we deserved the 2 points, but sometimes you need those special plays to help you seal a game.
With the release of Wakeman and getting back Miroslav, do you think that's a key for your side to go on and keep improving this season?
Well, I think certainly if he plays like that, he was good there tonight. It's the best I've seen him in the whole time he's been with us. So hopefully we can keep that on. But credit to our guys at the back end. We had 5 guys back there. We're a little short bodied back there, and they did a great job, and they battled hard, and they kept pucks to the outside. We didn't give them much, in terms of second chances. So just a great all around effort by everybody.
And the 2 new signings as well that you've made over the last week, is that good signs for everybody at the club?
Yeah, I thought Tom came in very poised, very smart, crafty. I thought he was great out there tonight, on both sides of the puck. And, we'll get Ivan in on Tuesday and get him into the lineup and take some minutes away from our guys that are tired back there. That's 3 or 4 games now as a group of 5. So, yeah, I think they'll contribute and they'll help us out for sure.